Hello guys, I hope you're quite well. These are modern resume template by BulkGFX. This is guide to how to write an effective resume. These are 15 points. You can read them in order to write a better resume. And this is A4 cover template, reference template, and resume template and resume template. For example, just cover template. These all are editable in Microsoft Word. For example, write your own name, Ahmed. For example, my name is not Ahmed, or marketing coordinator. Write the position you are applying for, or the dear recipient reception name. All is editable. Ahmed. All is editable. You can easily edit them in Microsoft Word. So, just reference template. These are different styles, different. All is editable. Simple. You can easily edit them. And this is US letter format template, cover template. You can easily edit them. I know you know. And this is your contact section where you will write your contact, your address, phone number, email, and LinkedIn account. And these are other reference templates. You can easily download this from the link in the description. You will download this file and you need to extract it. Just right click, window, and extract file. So when you click on the description link, you will come to this website, BulkGFX and auto resume template. This is about the file you wanna download, and just click here to download now and download, and just click download, and you can easily download from the link in the description through this. Start download. I have already it. This is just consists of 5 MB. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this data useful for you, please do subscribe to my channel and like this video.